deserve mo mag-staycation. Kaya you have to check this 4-star hotel na may magandang roof deck pool at masarap na international buffet breakfast. Nakapag-weekend staycation kasi kami sa Luxent Hotel, Timog Avenue, Quezon City. And for me, worth it silang i-recommend because of their pleasant facilities at warm service ng kanilang mga hotel staff. We booked a deluxe twin room that can accommodate up to 4 people. Listed price starts at 5,000 pesos per night with breakfast na yan. Value for money naman kasi spacious yung room at may magandang view. Malinis at complete with room amenities. May glasses, coffee and tea, electric kettle, at malawak rin yung bathroom ha, complete with toiletries. Yung pool nila is located sa 17th floor and for me, ito yung best part ng hotel. Maaliwalas yung amenity area, malaki yung pool and there are plenty of cabanas where you can sit and relax. May mini playground at bar din na nagsiserve ng refreshments at cocktails. Sa gabi, perfect mag-swimming habang pinagmamasdan ng view ng city lights. At dito ako pinaka natuwa sa buong stay namin, yung breakfast. They serve an international buffet breakfast, kaya napakadaming choices. Pinaka nagustuhan ko yung coffee bread. Ang sarap nito. Okay rin yung breakfast pizza. At syempre yung signature taho nila. Hindi siya typical kasi hindi sobrang tamis ng arnibal. Overall, nag-enjoy naman kami sa stay namin dito. Pwede pala kayong mag-book sa website nila at luxenthotel.com.